You will learn example 1. I will sort report by staff age. Example number 2. I will sort report by staff joining date. Let's start the tutorial. The Google Sheets sort function allows you to sort data and return the rows in a range. There's a multiple choice question at the end of this video, so keep watching. I have an unsort report, which I will sort them by staff age in the sorted report format. Starting sort function and then selecting full range of data, which I am looking to sort. Now I will give the column number which I am looking to sort. Column 2 in this example. Age is located in column 2. And writing true to sort as ascending order. Closing the function and hit enter. Now I have a sorted report by staff age, as you see. Now let's apply one more example for your better understanding. In this example, I will sort the report by staff joining date. Starting sort function and then selecting full range of data, which I am looking to sort. Now, I will give the column number which I am looking to sort. Column 4 in this example. Joining date is located in column 4. And writing true to sort as ascending order. Closing the function, hit enter. Now I have a sorted report by staff joining date, as you see. Now, this is sorted. Question: which one of the following formula is a correct combination of sort function and ascending order? Write your answer as A, B, or C in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more Excel related videos.